Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Charlie. No more financial struggles. Question, if you were to lose your job or business, could you still pay the bills? Could you still put food on the table? Yes. Now if the answer is no, then you need multiple streams of income. Yes, when one stream dries up, there's another stream ready, yes, to open up. We can no longer wait till the boss says it's over. No, we can no longer also wait for COVID-19 to say, shut down that business. Folks, we need more than one way to pay the bills, one way to eat a good meal. We need multiple streams of income, folks. So try our new package, yes, try our new package. Multiple streams of income, a 3-book package where we share 7. Yes, I did say 7 different ways on how to make money. Also, as a bonus, I'll be sharing with you in a free session, a free training, yes, free Zoom call, where I'll be sharing, yes, 7 different ways how to make money, a value of $300. Now, the book course, the book package, 3 books is only $59. But once you get the $59 book, also you're going to get the bonus course, ladies and gentlemen. The bonus course that I'll be training. I'll be sharing how to write your first book for profit. I'll be sharing how to make money in real estate investing, no money down deals. I'll be sharing how to make money in the vending machine industry, also in the motion machine industry. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be sharing with you how to edit film for video, radio, and television, ladies and gentlemen. Even how to edit if you want to do somebody's wedding to make money off of. So many different ways. Also, I'll be teaching you how to create ads for doctors and lawyers and dentists, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, time to take a bold and vertical move. Hit the link below, learn more, or just go and purchase right now. Hit the link. And once you purchase the package, the 3 package, less than a dress, less than a pair of shoes for a man, folks, only $59 for this multiple stream of income package. But you'll receive a free bonus of a value of over $300. But the amount of money you'll be able to make once you learn 7 different ways how to make money on this free Zoom course, this free training, folks, it's time to go get it now for these seats run out. I would love to work with you. I hope that you take a bold and vertical move. My name is CHARLIEGRANT, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.